Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Now let's tap on show your data. Let's tap on it, and as you can see right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, I've been using it for about 50 minutes. What's more, here we've got the unlocks and the notifications count. So if you'd like to check some further details, you can do it using two different ways. So the first one is to tap directly inside the graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will be connected with the whole screen time. Under it, we've got divided it into particular apps. We can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. Or we've got the second way, so we can tap directly on the app. So let me pick the settings, and as you can see, again we've got the dashboard, but right now it is connected only with this particular app. So and that's how to check some further details. What's more, here we've got the ways to disconnect, and we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and focus mode. So just a quick disclaimer, because I really think that those modes are quite useful. So for example, the focus mode, after entering, if you'd like to have the time for yourself, if you'd like to rest, if you don't want to be disturbed, you can select some distracting apps. So for example, those from which you're receiving most notifications, like social media and so on. You can just mark them. You can set the schedule, so you can pick particular days and particular hours in which you'd like to limit the notifications, and tap on turn on now. And thanks to this, your device will simply hide the notifications from those chosen apps. So I really highly recommend to enter those ways to disconnect and set the schedule, because it really can help you to rest from the social medias and actually your whole device. Under it, we've got the reduce interruptions, so we've got the do not disturb mode, and we can manage the notifications, and here we can enter the parental controls. So basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.